So guys, we have our sample project on. As you can see, we made a custom frame here, but if we try to move it, we cannot able to move them all together. To fix this problem, we need to create a group. For that, tap and hold on the left button of the layer. Then when it become green, select all of the layers. Then tap on this top button to create a group. Now we have our group, and with this group we can do whatever we want. If we want to edit the group again, just select the group, then edit group. When you are done with your editing, just tap on the top left corner button to return to the main timeline. Lastly, to ungroup a layer, select the group, then tap on top right corner button, select ungroup, and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can group and ungroup layers in Alight Motion. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.